Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening sound settings so you can reset precisely. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and choose Open Sound Settings. If you prefer keyboard, press Windows+I, go to System then Sound. Once the sound page loads, make sure the correct playback device is selected from the drop-down. You do this first because resetting applies to the active device. If you see no device, check cables or Bluetooth, pairing before proceeding so the next steps affect the right hardware. Next, you reset app volumes and device-specific settings so nothing overrides system defaults. Click App Volume and Device Preferences, then either hit Reset or manually set each app to default and bring sliders to your baseline levels. Make sure the input device and output device columns match what you use. Then open Device Properties for the playback device and verify the format sample rate and bit depth. Mismatched formats can cause silence or distortion. Once done, return to the main sound page to continue. For the final reset, open Sound Control Panel from Related Settings, select your playback device, click Properties, and go to Advanced. Disable all enhancements and choose a standard default format, then click Restore Defaults to remove customizations. Apply and test audio. If you still have issues, run the built-in Playing Audio Troubleshooter and restart Windows Audio Services via Services. MSC. Troubleshooting tip. If audio remains absent, try a different output device or reinstall the audio driver from Device Manager to rule out driver corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.